Hey, you look like an actor. Are you an actor? Well, that's great, because I'm an actor too. My name's Doug, and I have been acting for about 35 years. Yes, I am that old. In that time, I have done plays, musicals, feature films, student films, commercials, industrial, voiceover, 360 film, virtual reality, kind of run the gamut. So I have a lot of advice that I can offer other actors like you. Here at this channel, I try to augment your acting career with tips and tactics and tech. So what kinds of things might you see on this channel? Well, thank you for asking. I give tips and techniques that you can use to get better at acting, running your acting business, marketing, how to memorize your lines, how to do dialects. I also talk about new tech, apps that actors find useful, virtual reality, how to act in 360 films, all kinds of things related to new media that you might find opportunities in as an actor. I invite you to subscribe to this channel, but it's not just enough to subscribe. You also have to hit that notification bell to turn on your notifications, and that way YouTube will let you know when I post a video. I also have a Facebook group, Augmented Actor. If you are an actor or otherwise in the performing arts, I invite you to join the group. I post a new video about once a week. I've already got a bunch of videos out there that you can watch already. I just would love to see your actor face there. You are an actor, right? We did establish that, right? Thank you for watching this spiel, and have a good day.